What are you gonna do now?
Jack it up.
You gonna put it back together?
No, I'm just gonna lift it and leave it up for a long time ago because it's not going to turn on in a long time. But when I turn it on, then it won't even move.
But you're not gonna put it back together?
No.
Why not? You're not gonna drive it no more?
No, I'm going to drive it still.
Well, how you gonna drive it if it doesn't have tires?
But I'm not going to drive it anymore because the motor doesn't even work anymore. The motor, if I start driving it with the tire back on, the motor will just blow up. So I gotta work on it.
Why'd you take the tires off? What are you doing now? Don't take it all apart. Don't take it all apart, because I don't want to put it back together.
I'm not going to take it all apart. The hood is going to just fall off. But
Okay, put the hood back on. You want to go meet your uncle?
Why do we got to meet my uncle?
You want to go meet him? He's at the job site.
I don't want to go to see a jump site. Where do we got to go to the jump site with him?
We gotta finish this job real quick. Let's go.
Alright.
Alright, hang on.